Every year, we ask the same question. Why do typhoons suddenly explode in strength right when they enter Philippine waters? Why does a simple tropical storm turn into a super typhoon just hours before landfall? Tonight, we uncover the real science and the hidden forces behind the world's strongest cyclones, and why the Philippines sits in the most dangerous location on Earth. Everything begins in the vast Pacific Ocean, the largest and warmest body of water on Earth. Warm water is a typhoon's fuel, and the Pacific has the deepest heat content on the planet, meaning storms are fed continuously with energy. This is why 90% of the world's strongest typhoons form in this region, and most of them move toward the Philippines. For a typhoon to grow, the sea must be at least 26.5 degrees Celsius. But Philippine waters? They often reach 29 to 31 degrees Celsius, especially from June to November. That's like adding jet fuel to a tropical system. The warmer the water, the stronger the typhoon becomes. Typhoons follow the winds known as the trade winds. These winds naturally push storms westward, directly toward the Philippines. We are positioned like a wall facing the Pacific. There is no land mass to weaken storms before they reach us. They travel over thousands of kilometers of warm water, getting stronger and stronger until landfall. The Philippines is not only surrounded by warm water. We also have extremely humid air. Humidity is the oxygen typhoons breathe. When both warm water and humid air combine, storms undergo what scientists call rapid intensification. A typhoon's wind speed can jump from 100 kilometers per hour to 200 kilometers per hour in less than 24 hours. This is why so many storms become super typhoons right before hitting the Philippines. Not all typhoons hit the same way. Luzon receives the most storms, path of the Pacific conveyor belt. Visayas gets storms that curve north or pass straight. Mindanao gets fewer typhoons, but when they come, they are often extremely deadly because communities are not used to them. The warm waters south of the Philippines can supercharge storms before they hit Visayas or northern Mindanao. Scientists warn that typhoons today are not the same storms from 50 years ago because the oceans are warming. Storms are now stronger, faster, wetter, and forming more suddenly. This is why super typhoons like Yolanda, Odette, and Raleigh have become more frequent in recent years. The Philippines will always face powerful storms, not because we are unlucky, but because we sit at the crossroads of heat, wind, and ocean energy. But in every typhoon, one truth remains. We prepare with wisdom, and we stand with faith. For generations, Filipino families have survived the strongest storms, not only because of early warnings or strong shelters, but because we believe that even in the fiercest winds, God is with us. Preparedness protects our homes. Faith protects our hearts. And together, they give us the strength for whatever storm tomorrow may bring. Every storm teaches us two things: that nature is powerful and that human beings are not helpless. We prepare physically by securing our roofs, storing supplies, and understanding the science. But we also prepare spiritually through prayer, unity, and trust in God's protection, which has carried countless Filipino families through the darkest nights of rain and wind. Faith does not stop the typhoon, but it gives us the courage to face it. Every year, the Philippines faces the strongest storms on Earth. And yet, we rise again, prepared by science, strengthened by community, and guided by the one who protects us. In every season,